Ellie Blundell, and I'm a student here at Northridge High School. Taking CTE courses really changed my plans. I guess it really just narrowed everything down for me. I knew I wanted to go in the medical field, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. The CTE pathway classes I took were Intro to Health Science, Medical Anatomy and Physiology, Sports Medicine, and then I was a part of the New AHEC program, which was also a class I got college credit for. You get to learn about the careers, but you also get to have a little bit of hands-on, which was awesome. It's like we learned how to intubate. We also learned how to start IV lines and suture, and we also learned how to do vitals. Through every single class, I've decided that I want to be a doctor just because I'm helping people, I'm healing people, I am there for people, and it's hands-on, I'm taking care of everybody. I would totally recommend any pathway to younger students. I think it's super important for kids to be able to experience different things as far as careers go, and doing a CTE pathway or a couple is a great way to get that experience and knowledge.